saying it was your fault, although you could have done more. Oh, you're so naive, yes, so how could this be done with such a smiling sweetheart? Oh, and your sweet and pretty face is such an ugly way, something so beautiful. Oh, that every time I look inside, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, or she's still out to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, she's still out to get me. I may say it was your fault, because I know you could have done more. Oh, you're so naive, yes, so how could this be done with such a smiling sweetheart? Oh, and your sweet and pretty face is such an ugly way, something so beautiful. But every time I look inside, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. And true or false it may be, oh, she's still out to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. And true or false it may be, she's still out to get me. So how could this be done with such a smiling sweetheart? Oh, you're so naive, yes, so it's such an ugly thing, someone so beautiful. Oh, that every time you're on his side, I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, oh, she's still out to get me. And I know she knows that I'm not fond of asking. True or false it may be, she's still out to get me. Just don't let me down, just don't let me down. Hold on to your pride, just don't let me down. Just don't let me down. Hold on to your pride, just don't let me down. Just don't let me down. Hold on to this pride, just don't let me down. Just don't let me down.
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Even just £1 a month helps me create more frequent uploads and better quality content. By becoming a patron on the new tier, you'll get access to exclusive full song tutorials. You'll have priority input on future videos and notations, you'll have access to all the PDFs, and plenty more. Your support allows me to keep making the videos you love. Thank you.